Hai, Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Amirati Arazi binti Effendi. I'm taking in Diploma in Management. So first, I will present about the source of Malaysian law. For the written law, a federal constitution, supreme law of the country based on Article 4 on FC, and any law which is inconsistent with the FC shall be void to the extent of its inconsistency. The second one is cover the basic of fundamental right of the individual. The third one, and can only be changed by way of a two-third majority of the total number of members of the legislature. Precedence. It is another very important source of Malaysian law. Refers to the law as developed through cases decided in the superior courts under the binding judicial precedent, which is also observed in Malaysia. The decision of the higher courts must be followed by the lower courts in similar case. Thank you.
State constitution regulate the government of the state, cover matters concerning the ruler, the executive council, legislature, the legislature assembly.
Hello madam, today I'm going to present about the sources of Malaysian law, and I'm going to present about the legislation. Law enacted by a body constituted for the purpose of enacting laws. At federal level, the laws are enacted by the Parliament under List I, 9th schedule of the Federal Constitution. At the state level, the law are enacted by the State Legislative Assembly under List 2, 9th schedule of the Federal Constitution. And second, I'm going to present about the subsidiary legislation. Refer to the rules regulation by the law order and other instruments made by a person or body in accordance with the power delegated to him, it under enabling legislation. Thank you, madam.
Hi, my name is Yawni Soren. Today I will talk about the English law. The first point of the English law is it's found in common law and rules of equality, a very important sources of Malaysian's law. The second point of English law is the reception of English common law. Equality in Malaysia is specifically permitted by virtue of section 301 and 501 of Civil Law Act 1996. And the second underwriting law is English Commercial Law from the section 501 of the Civil Law Act 1956, introduced into Peninsular Malaysia except Penang and Melaka. It is another very important sources of Malaysian's law. Under the doctrine of binding judicial precedents, which is also observed in Malaysia, the decision of the higher courts must be followed by the lower courts in similar cases. That's all from me. Thank you.
Custom. The custom of non-Muslim are no longer of much importance since the passing of the Law Reform Marriage and Divorce Act 1979, which abolished polygamy as marriage among non-Muslim. Islamic law. Another important resources of Malaysian law is administered at state level by a spread system of court called by a Sharia court. Second, only applicable to Muslim.